Was this Wondershare Wutsapper tutorial and review to learn how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without any PC. Yes, we can transfer complete WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone and we will not require any Windows PC or Mac. Hey folks, myself Akhil from WM Originals. I term this as the best and easiest way to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone as we don't require any PC or Mac for this. We just require a OTG adapter and lightning to USB cable, and after that we can simply connect our devices and transfer complete WhatsApp data from Android's WhatsApp to iPhone's WhatsApp. That's why this video is going to be very useful. So watch this video full and follow the method by downloading the application from the links in description and pin comment to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without PC. But before I start, if you are new to WM Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified and watch this biggest giveaway and tutorial from me at WM Originals for a chance to win $100 Amazon gift card. So let's begin and know how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone without any PC or Mac. With Wutsapper, we can migrate WhatsApp data across platforms. We do not require any Windows PC or Mac for this. So easy and fast. We just require a USB-OTG cable and we can transfer our WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. That's pretty cool. Let's give it a try, and for that click on download. You can scan this QR or follow the link in description or pin comment to download Wutsapper for free. You can also search for Wutsapper on Play Store and install it from there, and after we have installed, now we will use this to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. Here is my iPhone. I have installed WhatsApp but it is not set up yet, and here is my Android phone. I have WhatsApp with chats which has images, videos and voice notes as well. Let's open Wondershare Wutsapper on Android and click on start. From here we need to select Android to iPhone. Now it asks if we want to create a new backup. Let's create WhatsApp backup, and for that let's switch to WhatsApp. From here open settings and then chats, and now tap on create a chat backup. Once done, now let's go back to Wutsapper and tap on backup complete. Next we need to enter our WhatsApp mobile number, enter it and then tap on next. Enter the activation code received. Next this shows the number of messages, photos, audio, video, files and emojis that are available to transfer. Now tap on next. Here it will ask you to purchase it. So you can tap on buy now and set it up by entering Wondershare Wutsapper ID password. Once we have set up Wutsapper on Android phone, it will give us two options to complete WhatsApp transfer. One is USB-C to lightning cable, and next we have Wondershare Wutsapper desktop toolkit. As we are looking to transfer WhatsApp data without PC, we will select the first option. So for that, tap on yes, use USB-C to lightning cable. Now here we get two methods to transfer WhatsApp data. One is we can do it with C to lightning cable or can also use OTG cable, which is what we are going to do now. Connected my iPhone to Android by a OTG adapter. Now on our Android phone, it will ask us to allow the app Wutsapper to access the USB device. Tick box and tap on OK. Now on our iPhone, we get and trust this computer pop-up. Tap on trust and enter passcode. Now that we have connected our Android phone with iPhone, we can start with WhatsApp transfer, and here we need to log into our WhatsApp on iPhone. Once we have logged in into WhatsApp on iPhone, tap on start transfer and then tap on confirm. Here we will be required to turn off Find My iPhone from our iOS device. Here it mentions all the steps. Open settings and then account and then iCloud. Now here is the option Find My iPhone. Open it and toggle it off. Here it will ask for Apple ID password, enter it and tap on turn off. It will turn off Find My iPhone on iOS device. After it's done, tap on turn off. WhatsApp transfer will start. We will see transfer succeed on Wutsapper. After that, iPhone will reboot, and now let's open WhatsApp. See, we have successfully transferred Android's WhatsApp data to iPhone's WhatsApp. Here we have all our chats with images, videos and voice notes. Was not that easy and fast? That too without any PC or Mac. The same way you can also transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Android without any PC using Wondershare Wutsapper. Now you may ask, is Wondershare Wutsapper free and safe to use? Well, it's 100% safe to use, and yes, you can always try Wondershare Wutsapper WhatsApp transfer for free. But if you are looking to transfer complete WhatsApp data, you will require a plan. And here are the plans we can choose from. Choose a plan as per your requirement. So effortless, affordable and 100% working. I will highly recommend it if you are looking to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, that too without any PC or Mac. But if you can use a PC or Mac, you can also try Wondershare Mobile Trans. And if you are looking for complete step-by-step Wondershare Mobile Trans tutorial and review, you can watch this tutorial from my channel. That's what I had for today. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Also, share your views and feedback in comments. And if you are new to W Originals, do subscribe for more useful content like this and hit bell icon to get notified. Also, if you want to watch videos in Hindi, do subscribe to my channel Techie Akhil. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.